Hey, welcome back to Building Dad Bod 2.0. Saturday was bench and back day, but started off with some weighted vest walk. Got a solid hour in with 43 pounds in the vest. We're working our way back up to 55 pounds. Now, this is the last day of maintenance calories, and we're going back into phase 2 of the summer cut. Currently 182 pounds body weight, so want to lose another at least 8 pounds over the next 4 weeks. So this is where the physique's at right now. Hoping to look a lot leaner after the next 4 weeks. Then we're back into doing a very slow bulk, looking to continue to build the strength from that point. All right, so weighted pull-ups today, doubles at 35 pounds. This is the first session at 35 pounds, so 6 sets of doubles. I'm just gonna show you 3 sets here. First session always when I go up is a little slower than I would like, but felt smooth, everything felt good. So we'll work our way back up again to 16 sets of doubles, and then we'll go up to 40 pounds. I normally start with bench on bench and back day, but decided to start with pull-ups today, then went into bench and started off with a set of 5 at 220. Normally I've been going from here into the slingshot because my shoulder's been bugging me, but did this set of 5 and I was like, oh man, the shoulder's actually feeling quite good. So what I decided to do was do some singles, work my way up in weight, and just see how the shoulder held up. First set of singles after that set of 5 at 220 was 264 pounds. So, fine rep. Felt good on the shoulder, no issues at all that way. Went up to 275. Again, not the easiest rep, but shoulder felt good at 275, so I went up to 286. And just didn't have to swing it today for 286. So then I put the slingshot on, went up to 308, and the left arm, left tricep just wasn't feeling it today, couldn't lock it out. Quite disappointed with that, but because the shoulder was feeling good, I knew it was a good chance to get some volume in. So hit a couple more sets at 220, 2 more sets of 5. I'll just show you one set here. I was a little bit disappointed in the failed reps, but the positives of this workout far outweighed the negatives. If the shoulder's feeling good, I can start adding volume back in. I've been missing the volume. Just doing what I can with singles with the slingshot, but now I can get back to really working the bench press with straight weight. Hit some volume, and bench should start going back up. So after that, we hit some speed reps. So 6 sets at full range of motion, 3 sets with a 2-board block press, and 3 sets with a 3-board block press. The 3-board I went up to 5 reps, everything else was 3 reps. Gotta keep working on building the speed, but I'm super excited if I can start adding volume in, if I can start adding singles without the slingshot, and I can keep hitting the speed. Really excited about what I can get going with the bench press again and get back on the road to a 300-pound bench press. After that, did some pull downs with the Kensui Swissies. Really like these. I haven't been able to do a lot of pronated pulling since I hurt this radial brachialis, but the nice thing with these is I can start pronated and I can twist my wrists into a supinated position on the way down. After that, doing some close grip seated rows. So we got the stack 210 plus we got an extra 27 pounds on there, so 237 pounds on the stack on these. So we did 2 sets there, then 2 sets of the high to low pulls. Now, you guys know I like to hit the back from multiple different angles, so it's my opinion that the back can handle a ton of volume. It's always worked well for me. So after these, we went into some straight up high pulls, right at the same height as bench press to hit that upper back, keep all those muscles strong that stabilize the bench. Now, while we're finishing that up, I'm going to talk a little bit about why I believe my shoulder's feeling better. One of the key exercises has been deadhangs. So I've been hitting these twice a week for the last 3 weeks here now, increasing the weight every session. This set I worked up to 256 pounds for hangs, plus my body weight of 182 pounds, for a grand total of 438 pounds. So my goal was to get to 400 pounds. I'm obviously flown past that, so we're going to up the goal to 500 pounds now. So as my weight's coming down on the diet, we'll just have to keep adding more weight on the pin. But back to the shoulder, it was a massive surprise to me that the shoulder was feeling good. Basically no pain at all on bench press for the first time in about 6 months. We'll see how it feels on the overhead pressing coming up on Monday, but I can't help but think that doing these dead hangs has been a huge reason why my shoulder's been feeling better. Really strengthening up those muscles that stabilize the shoulder joint. And then the other thing that I've added in, or really upped the volume on, is I've started training my side delts and rear delts 3 days per week with really high volume. And lastly, the only other thing I did differently was use the bands on my AC joints on overhead press last week. I don't think that in itself has fixed my shoulders, but it did give relief for that session. It didn't irritate that AC joint, didn't cause more inflammation. So generally I hit overhead, I get more inflammation, and then it's just hard to get rid of. So a session of relief was definitely a good thing. All right, on the dumbbell presses here, the goal is to get these up over 15 reps so that I can get my 100-pound dumbbells up over 15 reps. These are 80s, so once I get these up over 15, I will move up to 85s. So I managed here to get a set of 14, and I just did a single set. We're throwing these in on each of my 3 pressing sessions during the week, just one set, as many reps as possible till we get up over 15. Then we finished up with the shoulder work. So I'm going to show you all the shoulder work, but a bunch of it will be in 8 times speed, just to show you the amount of volume that I've been doing on my shoulders 3 days per week. So the side delts and rear delts are all drop sets, high rep drop sets, just burning out to failure. Do these all in succession like a giant set. So we do rear delts, side delts, then we do front raises, straight up overhead, and then we do Y raises, and we do 2 sets of that giant set. So 3 days per week on the side delts and rear delts. And then as far as straight up overhead pressing goes, that's only 1 day per week right now because I've been doing so much pressing volume with the bench press, dumbbell press, and then my 1 day of overhead pressing. So the front delts really don't need any more pressing volume. We're just trying to even everything out, get these shoulders feeling as healthy as possible. I really want to take a good run at the 300-pound bench press this year. Topped out at 291.5 this year, so we got to break 300 pounds within the next year. Then we finished off just with some static holds for this bicep tendon. That's it for the workout. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.